Alright everybody, and today in this video we are learning Python mapfunction. So it applies changes to all of the list elements. It is Pythonic instead of using large loop. Let's take an example from Pokémon. This is the Pokémon moves, and with the power, this is double H, U-turn, rock tomb, and constrict. Now we have to apply the burn drop on them. So let's apply it. So first of all, we have to create an object like bird, and then it's going to be a map. And first we'll pause our function, which is currently burn, and then the list. And after it, we have to define the burn function. So first we'll define it, and we need something like this. We'll pause the X here, and then we'll return. Because it's the 50% drop, so we have to do X multiplied by 0.5. And after that, we can also convert it to an integer. Now it looks cool. And after that, if we print the data burned, it's an object at this memory address. This is especially a map object. First, if we convert this to a list, we get this: 60, 35, 30, and 5 after the 50% drop of burn. So before saying that is it, we can also use something good, like instead of using this burn function, we can delete it and use a lambda instead. And we don't need return, so we will just do int x multiplied by 0.5. And then we get the same. So that is it.